Perhaps it was never said that there were wrong ways to say I love you because you craved even just a bit of it.
Siguro hindi nasabi, may pag-ibig na mali. Dahil ating minithi, hiniling kahit konti.
Because we liked how it felt the way it broke us into pieces, drove us to madness, and yet it made us feel sane.
Kahit tayo'y baliko, hindi tayo huminto. Nasarapan ng gusto, di alam kung paano.
Love, do you not hear the filthy lips whisper into my skin? Listen to the wretched sound it makes against my heart.
Di mo ba naririnig? Bulong ng iyong labi, balat ko'y nanlalamig, puso ko'y di matimpid.
I don't know what to make of it, except that every time you touch me like that, I am powerless. I am broken.
Di alam ang gagawin, ang sikip sa damdamin, bawat haplos ng kamay, ang lakas sa iyong piling.
But when you stand up to leave, I hold on, ask you to stay, because no one has ever bothered to in the first place.
Pero nung tumayo ka, ako ay nakakapit. Mahal, huwag kang umalis, huwag mo silang gayahin.
Love, maybe there are wrong ways to say you love me. Perhaps you don't even love me at all.